tinry ko muna siya. I try it. And then I put in some salt. Black pepper. And let's put some black pepper. Let's put some garlic. I like more spice. Yeah. She said tomorrow she has a schedule, but she will be home before 12. So okay. Actually, our checkout is 2 or 1. Okay, so we will be there before 2. That would be my steak today. So making sure it's well hot. Lagyan natin ng butter. Pure butter anchor. Okay. Unwrap natin siya. Then let's put the butter around. More butter. There we go. Okay. Make it heat. And we will put the steak. You can see it's heating because mas maganda sana ito sa mas mainit na pan. But this is all we got. So we wait. First, let's go put the thyme leaves. Naparami yata. But it's okay. I love thyme. Make some spice and herbs in it. Right. So, hopefully, magandang din palabasan ng ating steak. Darn. Okay. Medyo mainit na. Let's put the steak. Not that hot, but it's okay. That's not the heat that I am expecting, but that's all they can give. That's all they can do. So this steak will provide their own oil. And let's cover it up. No, I will share. Ayan, naluto na nga at tinikman ko na rin. So very tender. Ayan. When you cut the fats, you can see. You can just cut with the fork. I'm still making the vegetables. So, yung sabaw po nito is yung sabaw ng chicken namin kahapon. Yan. So, already marinated. Season. All season. So, no more additional. But the vegetable it is. And some Bangus Bicol Express. Yan. Yan. Mix.
Now, this is a milkfish with cabbage, beans, carrots. And this milkfish has been soaked in a coconut oil, or coconut milk. And it's really delicious, a little spicy too. And then Jen's got her pork here.
Pork steak and some vegetables. There's more vegetable here. in the still boiling. They need more cooking, so we can eat again later. Okay, I think this one is good. Let's turn it on. That's it, the meal.
Huh?